New chapter in the history of public procurement as Haryana and Punjab switch to direct online transfer of MSP payment. News in detail. For the first time, Punjab and Haryana farmers are getting direct bank transfer of payment against sale of rabi crops, and about 5,385 crores has already been transferred in the last 1 week, the Union Food Ministry said. The government data shows the amount has been transferred so far in the ongoing procurement season by the central and state procurement agencies to farmers against purchase of their crops in both the states. In Punjab, 2,600 crore rupees has been paid to accounts of farmers till April 20th under the scheme. In Haryana, 2,785 crore rupees have been transferred directly to the accounts of the farmers. Only after much persuasion, the Punjab government has agreed to implement direct bank transfer of payment of minimum support price against sale of rabi crops such as wheat from April 10th onwards. Currently, wheat procurement is underway in Punjab and other states. For the first time, farmers of Punjab have started receiving payments directly into their bank accounts against sale of their rabi crops, the ministry said in a statement. This year, a new chapter has been added in the history of public procurement as Haryana and Punjab have also switched to direct online transfer of MSP payment to farmers' bank accounts following the central government's direction, it said. The procurement process in Punjab began from April 10th, while in Haryana it began from April 1st. Haryana leads the tally in the procurement process among 11 states and 2 union territories where wheat is procured as MSP. About 54 lakh tons of wheat have arrived in mandis till April 20th, out of which 50 lakh tons have been procured and more than 20 lakh tons lifted by various government agencies. This is being celebrated by the farmers of Punjab and Haryana as for the first time they are receiving direct benefits against the sale of their hard-toiled crops without any delay. About 41.8 lakh tons of wheat has been procured from Punjab in the ongoing 2021-22 marketing season. The Haryana government on Wednesday procured 3.11 lakh tons through various procurement agencies on the MSP. Of the 64.77 lakh tons of wheat that arrived at procurement centres till April 20th, 55.62 lakh tons have been procured. Till April 18th, about 202.69 crore rupees in Punjab and about 1,417 crore rupees in Haryana have been transferred directly into the farmers' accounts. The total wheat procurement in the country so far has reached 121.7 lakh tons as per the ministry's latest data. Overall, about 11.6 lakh farmers across the country have benefited from the procurement operations, it added. News Desk, Karma News.